Hello and welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here, just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. I'm Peter Drury, and this is Jim Beglin. A delight to have him on board.
Well, I can tell you, I'm truly delighted to join you, Peter, and thank you very much for that.
Then the lineups for this game. And that gets things running. Battles to win it back. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Tries a through ball. And the finish! Goal! Al-Ittihad!
Oh, that was a close call, but for me, he timed his run to absolute perfection there to stay just onside, and he's still a lot to do, you know, but I think he's tucked that away really well.
Al-Ittihad have an early lead. Good start. He's made sure that that won't get through. Gets into a dangerous position. Sticks in a foot to win it back. Pumps it upfield. Can he finish? Fabinho. It's a long forward pass. Looks to slip it through. Goes long and forward. Conte. He's picked him out. Can he find a finish now? Ball's out on the left now. Goes wide. What an adventurous run from a defender. Tries a long pass towards the front. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Ball has crossed the line, and it's a throw. Into the channel. Oh, good interception. Forward it goes. Looks like a good ball through. Now the cross. It's a loose ball. Turns and goes back. That was venomous. Now the pass. A chance! Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that. Aimed long and direct. It's come loose. It's gone out for a throw-in. Cross deflected behind for a corner. He's there to hoof it away. Gets it back. Out to the left it goes. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Who's going to make this theirs? That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Thrust towards the front line. Passes it through. Conte. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
Look, the keeper's been exposed a few too many times for my liking, and something they're going to have to fix, and fix in a hurry.
Well intercepted, really alert to the danger. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. They scored inside the first 10 minutes to give them a 1-0 lead. Boots it upfield. Al-Ittihad are in control here on the brink of half-time. Floats one over. Away from immediate danger. Out for a throw. Shoots! Oh, great save, real class.
Oh, much more than a routine save for me, and yet he just coped with room to spare.
And the ball's come out. And he's whipped it in low. Not the worst cross in the world, but still room for improvement. Played in with accuracy. Cuts it out. Looks like a good ball through. Has a hit! Oh, terrific run to latch onto it, but the finish is all wrong.
I think there's always that danger that the defence can get exploited in that way. That must have served as a real wake-up call to them.
Oh, he really wanted that.
Well, in all honesty, he's tormented that defence. They just can't handle him.
Poorly directed kick from the keeper, he's given it away. Tries the route one option. Al-Ittihad have a free kick. And he's going to have his name taken.
Well, that was coming, Peter. You know, he was on a final warning after all.
They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. He's in! Gets good distance on it. There's the whistle for half-time. How do you look back on the first 45 minutes?
Al-Ittihad deserved to be ahead and probably should be in front by more, considering the amount of chances they've managed. Everything points to more of the same second half and a good solid win.
Al-Ittihad leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. Al-Ittihad carry a 1-goal lead into the second half. And it's Fabinho. Loose ball, who's going to get that? And he has been fouled there. That was travelling. That's a poor kick by the keeper, he's just given it straight back. Deftly done. Clears it out of harm's way. Well won, that's good play. Has he found his man? Well played, he saw that coming. That's a throw. Looks to slip it through. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. They've managed to get it away. Up for a header! He's got away with one there. It so nearly came off for him.
I would agree. It's tremendous play. He's full of belief and imagination and hard to contain.
Battles to win it back.
Well, there's a lot of movement out wide now.
Yeah, you can certainly see that.
Well, I think it's a move to open the game up more, whether out wide or just getting a runner through the middle now.
And that's a throw.
This defence just doesn't trust itself to play a higher line.
Frighten the people getting in behind.
Yeah, absolutely. It just opens up the opportunity of not only strikers getting behind, but the runners from midfield too.
What a save! Terrific reactions! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Well, Peter, if you ever needed reminding of a game of fine margins, we've just seen it.
That's one way to make your presence felt.
It's tremendous play on his part, Peter, and he's proving to be a right handful throughout the game.
Someone looks like he's in need of protection here.
Yeah, Peter, and it looks like this defence will go tooth and nail to prevent him from getting another.
Pumps it forwards. Spoon forward. He's away! Tries to stroke it through. Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Well, he caught that one right on the meat. Cracking effort.
Tries a through ball. It's gone for a throw-in. Chip through. Whipped in. Belts it on the volley. That is wayward.
Well, he was in such a great position in front of goal, and you'd expect him to score from there, but somehow he's missed it.
Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Oh, that's neat. Drilled in low. Well, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Done very well to intervene. Gets it upfield. Lobs it in gently. Knocks it towards the front. Aimed forward. Gets into some space. Gets it back. Hurtles into the tackle. Floats one over.
Well, there's no point in adopting a conservative attitude now. As long as they don't lose their shape completely, they have to throw men forward in this situation.
With a delicate ball. It's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
Tries to get it forward quickly. That's gone a long way up and away. Al-Ittihad get it back again. Just 5 minutes remaining now. And that's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. And that's going to be a booking. Comes as a mighty relief. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Who's going to make this theirs? He's pinged one through here. Four extra minutes added on. Well positioned to make that interception.
Well, when the options aren't quite present in the box, it's the crosser's interest to hold on for the support.
Well, that's where he wants it. Oh, he's broken through. And that is the last effort of the game. What a game. End to end, it flew by, and in the end, it all came down to just the odd goal.
Well, once they got that goal, I just thought they were very dogged in seeing the game through, and that clean sheet, you know, key to the win.
So just time for me to say thanks to Jim for his wisdom, and to wish you all a very good evening.